Good morning, everyone, from my home in Orlando, Florida. I first want to thank Six Flags Great Adventure for inviting me out to the naming of Project Purple. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to the media event today, but we have a name for Project Purple, and it is going to be called Bakuana, and I am very excited for this to debut in 2027. Here is the logo. Check it out. It looks fantastic. And I want to thank Ryan for sending me a tons of video footage, photos, and info that I can share with you guys, even though it's from my home.
Click in, lean back, new ride, new track. From coasters screaming through the sky to game day crowds riding high. Subscribe to Rich on YouTube. Rich Junior Bands on your screen. From theme parks to travel, sports and more. There's always an adventure in your feed. You don't need permission, jump right in. Hit that notification bell. Don't be late. Hit that notification bell and subscribe today. Hey, 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 subscribe today. Hey, hey.
Not a Great Adventure. Again, I want to send them a massive thank you for still inviting me, even though I couldn't make it. Unfortunately, I had to go back to work and take care of some bills and family and everything else, even though my kitty needs my help. She wants to join me for the video. So Bakuana, wow, what a name. We were thinking of lots of other things like Phantom Spire was a rumor for a while. We heard Gargantuan Vertical Vengeance. So Bakuana, interesting. To me, it reminds me of like a sea dragon, like a Gyarados from Pokemon in a way. But take a look at some of these videos that were shared by the park. This looks absolutely insane. Like those seats spinning, how cool the POV looks. Everything just looks so phenomenal. I cannot wait for this to open with the park. Six Flags Great Adventures has a bright future ahead. It really hurts that I can't be there today for the naming of Project Purple. I really wish I could have, but work and family always comes first, and hopefully I'll be at the park again soon. I'm thinking hopefully for Fright Fest if I could, but Bakuana, how about that? So, I want to talk about some of the facts with Bakuana that was sent in the email by Ryan. Again, thank you for sharing all this with me. I really very much appreciate it. Happy to do this from home, even though I'm sad that I'm not in the park. So, let's start talking about this record-breaking coaster. It has 6 world records. How about that? 6 for Six Flags. So, the world's fastest spinning coaster at 100 miles per hour. So, think about that. While you are being launched, spinning in your vehicle while the coaster is going 100 miles per hour is absolutely insane. What else do we got here? We have world's tallest spinning coaster at 382 feet. So there's your height, 382 feet. Not 456 like King Ka was, but how intense this coaster is going to be, you're not even going to think about going 456 feet. This coaster is going to blow everyone's mind for coasters enthusiasts all over the world. This is going to attract so many visitors. World's fastest inversion at 180 miles per hour. Dang. So inversions going at 80 miles per hour. Absolutely wild. World's longest stall inversion. World's first floorless spinning coaster. So this is a floorless spinning coaster. That's going to be absolutely insane. World's first upside down launch. Wow. So we all knew about that from the construction when, again, a massive thank you to Great Adventure for having me out for Content Creators Day a few months ago, getting a behind the scenes tour of Project Purple, seeing everything rise up. That was one of the greatest days ever for this year. This year's been a bit of a struggle for my family and such. So Content Creator Day really just boosted my energy and being very happy that I got to see everything and experience a day like that. The Project Purple tour was just so amazing and immersive, seeing a gigantic coaster like that just rise above. Like, it was just amazing to see Bakuana, not Project Purple, Bakuana rise from the ground. But I was very blessed the day that I got invited to go do the Project Purple tour and just see everything was amazing. So let's read about some of the storyline about Project Purple. Bakuana. I have to stop saying Project Purple now, my god. Inspired by the lore of Bakuana, the legendary sea serpent of the Philippine mythology, Bakuana blends cutting-edge engineering with immersive, thematic, designed to deliver an experience unlike anything else in the world. Standing at 380 feet tall, Bakuana joins the elite class of Giga coasters, ranking among the 5 tallest coasters in the world. While reaching speeds of 100 miles per hour, guests will board the world's first free-spinning floorless coaster, trains that rotate naturally throughout the ride, ensuring no two experiences are exactly alike. A ride like any other, every ride aboard Bakuana is different. The 2-minute 17-second journey begins with the first of 3 motor launches, taking the train from 0 to 60 miles per hour before climbing high above the boardwalk. Midway through the experience, riders encounter the second and world's first upside-down launch, accelerating from 60 miles per hour to 80 miles per hour while completely inverted before the third and final launch propels the train to 100 miles per hour. At the top of the massive tower, the train enters a spiral into a 180 degrees bank, giving riders unexpected views of Six Flags Great Adventure below and the endless sky above. 20-passenger train surfaces from the depths and speeds through the 3,163-foot course with its free-spinning, floorless vehicles rotating independently, creating a unique combination of spins, views, and sensations every cycle. Riders must be 48 inches tall to ride Bakuana. Well, there we have it. A long-waiting project opening in 2027 at Six Flags Great Adventure. I also want to, again, thank Ryan for sharing this information with me and sharing some images and videos I could share with you guys, even though it's from my house in Orlando. Just very upset again that I couldn't be there for the presentation of the naming. I really wanted to. I was in town last week for wedding stuff and I just couldn't push my trip any further due to just other things going on in my life, and hopefully I'll be at Great Adventure soon, and I am very excited for Bakuana to debut in 2027, as long as my baby too, right? Yeah. Oh, she's so sweet. She always wants to be the center of attention. So, Bakuana, new for 2027 and Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey. I'm very excited for this 6 world record breaking coaster. How about that again? 6 world records for Six Flags. Amazing. I love it. Alright, if you guys are new here, please hit subscribe. Ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video is done. I'll see you in the next one and potentially at SeaWorld Orlando for the next video.